Diana.
I'm Vika.
Yes.
And this is my girls.
You can't write it.
Hi!
Today we're here because we're going to be doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. We have 2 packets
Shitty chubby bunnies.
of marshmallows.
Yeah.
They're quite big, I think, so it's cool. And
This is not tasty. This is
yeah, it's not really. Okay, so the person who has the most marshmallows in his mouth and can still say Chubby Bunny wins.
Okay.
So yeah, we can start.
Start. Come on.
Oh wow. That's already a lot. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Lynn, fuck.
Chubby bunny.
I have no more space in my mouth for this. It's
Come on, do it.
oh. Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god. That's out.
Come on. Chubby Bunny. You're fading fast.
Okay.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Okay, wait. Fuck. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Положи тогда попробуй.
I can't do this. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Fuck, shit, fuck! That was... Yeah!
Вика, теперь давай сколько.
Продолжай. Да. No, I failed. You keep going. Yeah, you keep going. You still won. At least me. Oh, that was disgusting. Okay, I think there is her stop.
No.
Unless you can like... You can't. Okay, that
I feel myself like hamster. No, wait.
Seriously, у меня щеки болят. My cheeks are hurting me seriously right now.
We have no paper.
That's our tissues, okay? High class. High class.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh, my cheeks are hurting me.
It's a good training, you know.
I have no idea what she's talking about.
Me too.
I'm just talking.
I'm just talking.
Oh.
How many chubby bunnies I
I
have?
have no idea.
Girl says that I... What?
You had
7.
4, 8.
8. 7? 8?
Eight?
8? You 8.
You had it how many? Did I
She
have?
6.
6.
6 and I'm 8. 8. Loser.
I think we've established that she's better at having things in her mouth.
Можно я скажу?
Yeah,
I guess we're sweet girls right now.
Ooh.
Ow! Disgusting!
Anybody else wants to try? We have a lot of chubby bunnies left. Marshmallows, no chubby bunnies.
Don't try to do this at home, you know.
No, do try to do this at home.
It's disgusting. It's awful.
I feel sticky everywhere.
But it's a
My
good
whole
training
face
for you girls.
Yeah.
For your life.
Yes. Because
Yes. Girls says it's training for your smiling.
smiling.
You became a hamster, you know.
Anyway guys, this is all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we love you guys! Never mind her.
I'm okay. I'm okay.